Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a homemade pickle. First, select fresh, firm cucumbers, ideally 3 to 5 inches long. Wash them thoroughly and trim both ends. You can prepare your cucumbers by slicing them into spears, chips, or leaving them whole, depending on your preference. This initial step is crucial for a crisp and delicious final product. Next, let's prepare the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine water, vinegar, and pickling salt. Enhance the taste by adding your favorite pickling spices, such as dill, garlic cloves, and mustard seeds. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the spices to fully infuse into the liquid. Now it's time to jar your pickles. Tightly pack your prepared cucumbers into clean, sterilized canning jars. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring you leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Use a non-metallic tool to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean and secure the lids and bands firmly. To ensure your pickles are safe and shelf-stable, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 to 15 minutes. After processing, let the jars cool completely and check the seals. For the best flavor, allow your homemade pickles to cure for at least 2 weeks before enjoying them. Store sealed jars in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.